Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Hope you're enjoying our chutney series. Today we will prepare a vegetable chutney. We will be using a Ridge Gourd peel to make this chutney. I have taken half a kilogram of Ridge Gourd. I'm going to use it for my sambar, and I'm not going to use the peel for my sambar, so we're going to make a chutney out of this peel. So I've taken this Ridge Gourd and I'm going to chop the head and the tail. Clean up the skin a little bit. Cleaning the skin will actually remove the hard fibers on the skin. I'll cut it into two pieces. Use a small knife and gently start peeling the skin. Now I've peeled it and I've washed it and kept it aside. We will be using 100 grams of raw peanuts for this chutney. I've taken up a pan and preheated it, and I'm going to add the peanuts. I'm going to roast the peanuts. The groundnuts are roasted. We will allow the peanut to cool down so that the peel comes out easily. Now add the Ridge Gourd peel. We will saute this Ridge Gourd peel to remove the rawness. Keep tossing it till the rawness is gone. It's cooked till the rawness is gone. You can see the rigidness of the Ridge Gourd is gone. It's become soft. Now at this point, turn off the stove and allow it to cool. We will add these to a mixie jar. Now take a mixie jar, add the Ridge Gourd peel, add the peanuts, chilies, garlic cloves, salt, coriander, mint. Now I'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. We will grind this coarsely to get the texture of the chutney. Your Ridge Gourd Peel Chutney is ready. Please find the ingredients in the description below. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.